Yes, all right, our comrade. So today we have come with the proper shaft, and we are going to also install the timing chain, a new timing chain of Yamaha. It is T80cc. I think you need to know more about this Yamaha. They use Propera to push the back tires of the motorcycle. So what is trying to remove is that driving shaft together with a small cross. Then it has got a Frencher. It is one in free. As you can see on your screen above, it has got a small that is our T80 Yamaha engine. While being assembled, but the purpose we are removing the proper shaft which pulls the behind tire. It is a small machine, but it performs a very great work on this Yamaha. These are all types of Japanese motorcycle, but these are the old models which were assembled first, so that it has got a small cross, it has got a shaft, as you can see on the screen above. That is responsible for pulling the black coward and the behind tire of a motorcycle. All the power begins from the engine and comes up that small machine which is the engineer is tying right now. So we have finished tying it back. So we are going to install a new timing chain, as you can see on your screen. That is a timing chain. It performs also its work as it pulls that main load, and that is how it looks after being installed. Our timing chain also being installed. So thank you all the comrades, all my subscribers for this African Skills channel. Thank you very much for your time which you are giving me to support me by subscribing, by viewing. Thank you all of you comrades. Let's meet in another part of Yamaha T80 on its engine parts.